Guys, can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the course outline, ART 202. The name of the course is Career Planning and Development. Your section is there. Generally, we have one class per week, but in this online class, we will have two classes per week. Uh, and important part is contact. My cell phone number. If in case of any problem, you can call me, and this is the email address. You can mail me as well. In case of any problem, you can send me a mail. This is the consultation hour. You can knock me in the consultation hour for any type of help. Actually, consultation hour is a type of formalities. You can knock me anytime. You face any problem, you can knock me. Okay. This is the class time. Guys, be careful about your class time because you have class on Sunday and Thursday, but the time is different. Sunday, the time is 11:15 to 2:15 today. But Thursday, the class time is 2:15 to 3:15. Have you noticed it?
Yes, sir.
So your two class has got two times. So be careful. Do not make a mess. And now, actually, why we are having this course? What is the importance of this course? This is very important. This is very important to know that why we are actually having this course, because this is a one credit course and sometimes we get bored doing this course, that what we are doing here. Actually, this course can be helpful for our planning of the career. So actually, I was saying that this course can help you to plan your career, because most of you in near future you have planned to calculate your career, how you want to take decision, what type of profession you want to
So
go,
in future,
and
sir, job.
in future, in near future, yes. So this course can help you to uh, uh, to plan your career and to think about the decisions, and to take necessary steps to fulfill your plan, to fulfill the career goal. I'm going to give you some practical suggestions. So that is why this course can be very interesting and very helpful to you if you take it seriously. Again, I am saying, if you think that no, this is one credit course, I need to just pass this course somehow, that is your issue. That is a different way. But if you feel that yes, I can learn something from here, or I can get some very good suggestions, then this course is a good one for you. And these are some details, learning strategies. You will read it yourself. I'm not going to read everything from here. This is the assessment. First term will carry 20% mark, midterm will carry 20%, final term will carry 35%, quiz 5%, attendance 5%, assignment 15%, total 100%. And you know the grading criteria, you know that GPA divisions, that how they are divided, you know that.
Yes, sir.
So when I will upload it in the Google Classroom, you will read it completely full. And if there is any problem, you can show it to me.
Okay, sir.
So this is the class-wise schedule. Okay. Then in which class, what we are actually going to talk. This is the class-wise schedule. Overall, we will try to follow it, but sometimes there can be a bit ups and downs depending on the situation. Like, sometimes holiday comes, or sometimes there can be unavoidable situation. So in that case, we may change it a bit, but overall, we will try to stick to it. Okay. So this is actually, we will talk about occupation. You know occupation. Occupation is a type of job, profession, isn't it? Occupation is a
Yes,
type
sir.
of job or profession that we continue or that we do to uh, carry on or develop our career. So this is very something very uh, simple, and generally uh, career planning is important. Why career planning is important? Because sometimes it happens that What is career planning? First, let's do it. Career planning means just thinking about your skills, thinking about your abilities, and plan your career, some strategies, and then work for the success of your career. So this is uh, uh, all consist in career planning, because suddenly, without any planning, if you move into a profession, then you may think that actually it was not the right profession for you.
Yes,
So
sir.
if you do that, then what will happen? Actually, you will lag behind. Maybe your friend who has got a good planning, they can move forward. But you who does not have a good planning, you maybe fall behind. So that is why you need to think about your interest. You need to think about your skills. You need to think
What
about
do you
your,
want, sir, in
yes,
future?
yes, your opportunities, available opportunities. And then depending on this, you need to plan your career, that how you want to move on for future.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
why career problems are important? You see, understanding the career problems is very important. If you know that what type of problem can happen to you, then you can plan your career very easily. Okay, if you know what type of problems can happen to your career, then you will understand that how career plan is important, why career plan is important. Suppose rapid change in the job market is ever changing, always they are looking for new things. So unless you know or plan for this thing, may not get the right job that you are looking for. Job options, what are the options available to you? Diversity means variation in the profession. Nature of work, what type of work actually take place in today's organization. Economic condition, what is the economic condition of the job market? Relation between unemployment and social and physical problems. Like, you may understand that social and physical problems can uh, result in this, unemployment can result in social and physical problems, isn't it? When you are unemployed, your society behaves in a certain way with you. When you are unemployed, you face different types of physical and mental problems, psychological problems. So this can hamper your career as well. Impact of organizational failures. Suppose if your organization fails to success, to get success, then what will happen? They may not need you as an employee. Number of unemployed people is ever increasing, so you know you are in trouble. Career material and resources, what are the resources and materials available to you? Gender roles at home and work, very important. What is your role at your home and what is your role at work? If you cannot balance your home role and your work role, then you will be in trouble. Mobility means what? Mobility means transferability. Like, whether you are transferable, you are transportable from one sector to another sector. Now guys, why I am saying about this thing? I'm talking about these things because this type of issues can create problems in your career. Now, yes, now if you don't have a proper career plan, these issues will be huge. These issues will create a lot of problems. So if you have a good career plan, it will help you to know about your career, about your plan, and it will help you to fight this type of problems. Not all type of problems will be available to everyone, but still this type of problems are very much common in our day-to-day life. Now there are some very common definitions, you know, that work, occupation, position. Position means your designation, right? What is the designation? What is the position you hold? Job means a piece of work. This is occupation, piece of work that you do to achieve something, to gain something. Now this is something that I will talk now. Knowing yourself. You have studied philosophy, right? Many of you.
Yes, sir.
In the
Yes, sir.
philosophy, there was a term, knowing thyself. Have you heard about this term, knowing thyself?
Yes, sir.
You may know if you have not heard it, still it's okay. Knowing thyself means knowing yourself. Very, very important, guys. Knowing yourself is very important. Before knowing others, it is always important to know about yourself, isn't it? Am I
Yes,
telling
sir.
right or wrong?
Right, sir.
Right, sir.
Because unless you know yourself, how can you take your decision? Unless you know yourself, how can you know that whether this decision is appropriate to you or not? Unless you know yourself, how can you know that whether this job is appropriate for you or not? Now, with this thing, I will finish today's discussion, but let me share with you what does it mean by knowing yourself. What does it mean? Okay, wait. Knowing yourself. Let me give you a very common examples. Like suppose, let me give you one real life example from my life, my experience. I have a lot of friends. Obviously, you people have, all of us have got a friend. I have a lot of friends, and they are in different professions. I have got friends who are doctors, who are engineers. I have got friends who work in garment sector. I have friends who work in government sector. I have friends who work in NGOs, different NGOs. So different type of friends I have got, and I have got friends who are teachers as well. Different types of. Now I see that many of my friends earn more. They earn more than me. Now, if you see one of your close friend, he is earning more than you. Like, tell me the truth. What is the first impression? What is the first impression?
জীবনটা বেদনার।
Sir, anyhow, I have to beat him. So that is the first impression, maybe. Sir.
Okay. The first impression is, okay, maybe I don't want to beat him, but still, the first impression is, okay, he's earning a lot. Why can't I? I don't know. I should earn more, isn't it? Like, I cannot
Yes, sir.
match in the social status, maybe. So these are the common thinking. Very
Always, sir,
common
confusion.
confusion. Natural human instinct. Now, you will be confused only when you will or you don't have enough idea about yourself. Suppose in my case, I do not get into confusion. I'm not confused. You know why? Because I know that the profession I am in, I cannot earn like them. But I
You
know
are
I
satisfied.
want it. Yes. I
Yes,
want
sir.
this thing.
Satisfaction is job satisfaction is
Important.
yes, sir, important.
I want this thing. I know that my psychology supports me. Why? Because I know myself. How would I know that I am satisfied? Because I know myself. I know that I need this type of job. I know I love to talk to my students. I know I uh, always have some passion for teaching. I know I will not make a lot of money. This is me. So I don't face any difficulty to accept my position because I know myself. That is why knowing yourself is very important. If you think that, okay, I want to earn a lot of money, then maybe if you work as a teacher, that maybe you are not in the right profession. Maybe because you want to earn a lot of money. Maybe a business or something like that can give you like that. So my friend is earning more. With it, you need to correct yourself by thinking that, okay, he can earn more, but actually I am not interested. I have some other plan. Because as far as I know myself, I am not like that. I am like
Sir,
this.
sir, if I think that I am not capable of that, that of him, or I am capable of that, I deserve. So that's I am. So that will be a self motivation in that case.
Yes, yes, obviously. You need to know what you can, what you deserve. That is why when you want to know yourself, you need to know three things. First thing, what are the values? What are the values? Second thing, what are the interests? And third thing, what are the uh, skills you have?
Sir, values including social values, or sir moral values, or sir both, sir?
Any type of values.
Okay, sir.
But your values, your values. Values means what? Your beliefs, isn't it? Your attitude,
Yes, sir.
your
Yes, sir.
beliefs, your personality. That is your values. Now it can be social values, it can be moral values, it can be professional values. But values means your beliefs, your attitudes, your personalities. So you need to plan your career. All right. Then your interest. Interest means what are you curious about? What are you curious about? What do you like? What do you like to do? That is what we call interest. Okay. So your interest is something which matters as well. If you are interested in something, you will love to do that. But if you are not interested, you are not interested in teaching, then do you think it is a very good profession for you? No, because you are not interested. You are not interested. So you must find out something which where you are interested in. So your interest matters, guys. Interest and values, they are not same. Values are more deep inside your thought process, your belief. But interest can get changed. Now you are interested in, suppose, uh, football, but maybe after a period of time you are interested in cricket. So interest can get changed, but generally values are permanent. They do not get changed so easily. Okay, values means your responsibility, your sense of responsibility, your sense of honesty, your sense of ethics, morality, your sense of accountability. Okay, so these things are deep inside. These things are permanent. They do not change all the time. Okay, but interest can get changed sometimes depending on the situation. So when you want to know about yourself, first you need to think about your values. What are your values? What are the values you carry? Second thing, interest. What are the things you are interested in? Are you interested in this profession? Are you interested in this sector? Are you interested in this type of job? Third thing that you need to be careful about is your skills. Now, your values support that you want to be a teacher. Now, you are interested in teaching. Now, third thing is skills. Now you need to think that are you skilled enough to teach, or are you skilled enough to any type of profession? So beside being uh, beside knowing about your values, beside knowing about your interests, you need to know about your skills. Skills means your abilities that you can achieve, your potentials. Okay, so if you can know about these three things, then planning your career will be easy for you. Knowing about yourself will be easy for you. All right, so what you need to know? Three things, guys. First, you need to know about your values. Second thing, you need to know about your interest. That what is your place of interest? What is your point of interest? And third thing, you need to know about your skills. Actually, what you are capable of. And বড় বড় স্বপ্ন দেখলেই তো হবে না. You need to have that skills, isn't it? You need to have that capabilities. So if you can manage these three things, values, interest, and skills, then you will understand that actually what you deserve. actually which path you should follow. So guys, that's it for today. Today, knowing yourself. Before deciding your career, you need to know yourself. If you want to know yourself, what you need to do? You need to think about three things: your values, your interests, and your skills.